Hello. Hi. This is my new Gustav Becker grandfather clock that I just picked up a short while ago. Um, Clock is in beautiful condition. I think it was made between 1910 and 1920. Still looking into that to see if that's correct or not. Um, Take you for a little tour here. Let's see. Here's the uh, bottom of the feet. It's got claw feet or knob feet in the front and straight in the back. It's a two weight, and of course it's wound by pulling the center chains, so you can pull the one on the right is for the time side, the one on the left is for the chime side. That's some beautiful carving all the way around. The case opens up in two ways. This one here for the center of the clock, and the center door, the bottom door, and then for the top, you got the top that opens this way. You do a little work to the clock right now. It seems to be skipping an hour at some point, so I have to go over the movement. But anyway, this has chime bars inside. See if we can see in there. It's got four chime bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chime bars. Beautiful deep tone. And this is what was called a Bim Bam clock. So it doesn't play any tune or anything like Westminster. It just gongs. So here we'll go and see. It strikes once on the half hour and then counts out the hour at 12 o'clock. So let's try 3:30. Beautiful deep tone. And let's try 4 o'clock. And you have to count out the number of strikes, and each strike is in two parts. You'll see. And that's it. Gorgeous deep tone. Clock is in very, very nice shape. From what I understand, Gustav Becker was one of the really good German clockmakers, and they were quite famous for their wall clocks. But to my knowledge, they didn't make that many grandfather clocks. So I feel kind of fortunate to have acquired this one. Anyway, I hope you liked this little video, and that's it for the newest clock of the day. Thank you. Bye.